mic'd up?
Yeah.
Am I too loud for you?
No, you're really quiet.
Hey.
Oh my god.
You can turn it down by pushing it forward, and you can turn it up by pushing it back. So I forgot my jacket at Cycle Gear that I stopped at. I stopped at Cycle Gear before I came here, and I forgot my jacket, so I gotta go get it. I'm just wearing a thermal until we get there. But we're riding Ducatis today because we didn't feel like riding our own bikes in the salt.
You actually stopped me from riding mine in the stall here.
I don't tell them that. They don't need to know. What?
I didn't check the tire pressures yet.
Oh. Do you have to do that?
Do you want a safe ride?
We ball.
Yeah, no, we ball. They look good to me. So it's a keyless entry. Oh, you're wearing your NBT pants. Look at you. So you want to put this in your pocket, make sure it's secure, because you don't want to lose that. It's very expensive if we lose it.
I can't afford it.
Yeah, we can't. We're too broke for this shit, bro. These are really expensive fucking bikes.
I feel like Batman, dude.
Why isn't it starting? Oh, I have to. There we go. So what was he talking about? He said we need to check tire pressures. Oh, my tire pressure is the correct amount, so it's not going to work.
I think we care about that.
I don't care about that. We ball. We ball as fuck. Have you been on that bike?
Yeah.
Oh, you dick. They have other bikes they need to put miles on. We grabbed the two that have the highest miles.
Actually, I don't remember riding this one.
Shut up. Yeah, you winking. Motherfucker. Alright. We should not have gone through the back. There's a bunch of fucking dirt back here. And water.
You like my car?
The Mini Cooper?
It's my sister's. Had the mog on you.
You definitely, that's definitely your car. I hate this bike, but it's got heated grips and heated seats, so it's fine.
Can you hear any wind noise?
No, it's perfectly fine. What about you?
Cool. We're good.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm so glad I grabbed this bike and not the other ones, because I got like a windscreen and shit.
This is my first time using a quick shifter.
Never had a quick shifter before?
Nope.
No shot.
This is like crazy right now.
Oh my god. Oh.
Dude, that thing looks so goofy from back here. Dude, this bike is so beefy.
You know you can.
God damn.
You know you can wheelie that bike, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's a cruiser style motorcycle, legitimately, that has wheelie control.
I'm scared.
Like for a reason. That shit is like,
This
yo,
bike is
this dude's watching you. Rev it. That dude is like laughing, bro. He likes it.
He's like, I'm gonna go retire and get a Ducati now.
Oh, it's the only way to go, baby. Look at that. That looks fucking sick.
Target audience reached.
Middle-aged men. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I never realize those taillights are like sequential when you hit the brakes. That's so cool. What the fuck? I never realized that.
I'm gonna let you take front because I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, I mean, we're just staying on this road for a little bit until I get my jacket.
I like this coat because whenever we're going fast, I look like Batman's cape flying off.
Yeah, you don't want to do that on a sport bike though, because that's how you get scratches and shit on your tail.
That is true.
Severely less than optimal. It looks sick though. Yeah, don't get me wrong. You look like Batman, but yeah, definitely don't. When you're on your own bike, definitely don't do that.
Yeah. This one doesn't have a zipper though, so it's probably not as bad. But yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah, if you're on a naked bike too, like, who gives a fuck. But I just mean,
which I have a naked bike. This thing mogs that, unfortunately.
If you're on like a leader bike or something, I wouldn't do that. Especially if you're going fast. Like that shit's just gonna catch you and you're gonna like fly away.
I just got a Joe Rocket jacket recently, so I've been wearing that a lot. But when you don't wear gear, this is actually kind of nice to wear. It's like a hoodie or something. Squid attire.
Squid attire, for sure.
I feel powerful with this quick shifter, bro. This changed me as a man.
Jeez. You gotta get it to pop. I don't know what you're fucking doing with that little quick shifts.
Alright, let me show you.
Gotta get it high in there. Hey, you go, buddy. Fucking hell yeah, dude.
God damn. I'm selling my bike. I'm selling both of them.
For what, a V4?
Hit the V4 now. I'm going broke.
Kind of galley's even crazier, dude.
I can't even imagine riding yours. Like, this thing is just a dad version of your bike, basically.
Yeah, I mean, well, the engines are similar, but they're entirely different when you really break it down. No, I think it's the same like bottom end. It's more the top end that's all different. Look at me, I'm doing like sport bike shit on a fucking touring bike, bro. This thing is so fucking heavy. I hate it. Like, I hate heavy bikes.
Yeah, it's different from what you're used to, buddy.
Giant fucking dad bikes. I miss my sport bikes, bro. I miss my Panigale that weighs like sub 400 pounds.
Your BMX or your Supermoto probably feels like a BMX bike. So light.
Oh my god, that bike is incredible. I love that thing. 330 pounds.
Bro.
It does. It really does. Especially 80 horsepower. It feels tiny. Oh my god, this wind is crazy though.
Yeah, I was gonna say I could feel it real bad right now.
Fucking blowing me off the bike. I don't know. I guess like a V4 would be like a twin turbo V8 or something. I don't know. They're two very different motors. V4s are better, obviously, in every way, power-wise, and geometry and physics. They're just better.
Bro's dissecting it like Oppenheimer.
It's true. No, like seriously, the physics of the V4 makes way more sense because an inline 4 is naturally unbalanced, while a V4 is naturally balanced, so it can make more power. It's just physics.
The more you know.
Yeah. No, I mean, Google it. It's a true fact. Holy fuck, this Frontliner Frontier is fucking going 5 miles an hour.
Dude, that thing gets up there. God dang. Oh, I wish I would have brought my camera so I could show you what that looks like. Just know you looked cooler than everyone right there.
Also, dude, this is the first time we're actually like talking to each other while riding. I just realized that.
Yeah, I know, it's completely different.
Isn't it better? It's so much better than fucking sitting alone on rides by yourself.
The only gripe I have with this bike is that when I hit the case, it feels like I'm touching the brake on the right.
What do you mean?
Like with my foot, I feel like I'm touching the brake, but it's like the actual.
Oh.
Like, yeah, it's like a cover.
Mine is in a good position, but I can see how that would mess you up. If you just got big feet.
I do. I got size 12.
What they say about big feet, big shoes. Give it a rev for this dude. He's tweaking mad for real.
You see that?
I don't know what the fuck that was, bro.
He was giving me the zesty rev on him, pulling up the cycle gear like a mouse.
Everyone got to work today. It's such a beautiful day out.
The sacrifices of being a poor college student, getting to ride at fucking noon on a weekday.
Until 3:30, until you got to go to work.
That's the sacrifice. No night riding, but.
I know that sucks, bro. I mean, it's gonna be fucking pretty cold out tonight anyway, but.
Yeah, if you're riding at night at this weather like Derek did, you're insane.
Watch the water here, especially on a heavy-ass fucking bike like this.
A Suzuki!
Oh my god,
Oh shit!
Oh shit, oh my god, motherfucker. Motherfucker got heavy shit.
This thing's crazy.
Alright, I'm gonna go get my jacket. We can go to Target. You can come. No, I'm gonna just get it myself. Oh shit, did I not leave it here? Did I leave my jacket here earlier? Yeah. Oh, there it is.
This thing is rather large. I just realized how like freaking big this thing is.
Yeah, it's heavy as fuck too.
It's actually like crazy. How does Eve have one of these and just prefer riding?
Well, he has the special like RS. 650 Eve has that fucking RS model with the Diavel valves and all the special shit. So it's basically a fucking Panigale that is dressed up to look like this. Super comfortable. Don't get me wrong. I think it's a great bike if you're an old guy, but it's a little heavy for my taste.
Dad would lose his mind.
What if he got one of these?
One of those or these. He's also in my ear being like, you know, man, I think I'm just gonna get a Panigale. Honestly, I'm like, okay.
Just get the Panigale. Oh wait, yeah, he made a decision on that yet, or?
No, he's still kind of doing some number crunching and stuff, I think.
Number crunching?
He's just like me. He's indecisive.
He's staring at the MSRP every night before bed, trying to justify it in his head.
He's fickle about it like me.
He's just like me.
You know how I am. I've talked to you about getting 4 or 5 different bikes at this point.
It took me a while to bite the bullet on my V4, I'm not gonna lie. I was like going back and forth. I was like, do I do it? Do I do it? And after I rode it, I couldn't fight it anymore. I was like, I just have to pull the trigger on it. I'm just trying to give this its own video profile. I have to do an intro somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me intro it, bro. Hold on. So my book tie girlfriend sent me a list of books that she wants me to get, and we're out riding with my buddy. I figured that would be a good time to go get some books. And I know you've never seen any of these books before. This is a whole foreign interest to you, so
we'll see how it goes.
I know you're looking forward to it. And yeah.
Great intro.
We're gonna go get some fucking books.
See if I remember how to turn this bad boy on.
Why'd
they put the ignition in the most inconvenient spot?
I know, it's the worst.
Sacrifices for having a good motor, I guess.
It's actually super convenient. I forgot there was a Target right here. This isn't the one I was going to go to originally, but...
Yeah. You want to go to Crocker, too, or no?
No, because we'll get kicked out for wearing our helmets.
Oh, really?
Yeah, probably. That's just my assumption. My girl said they're at Target anyway, so we just go here and collect the goods.
My girlfriend takes her NCLEX, her nursing test, and actually tomorrow, so I'm going to get her something for a good job. Passes it.
Target, a fucking book girl's dream haven, right? This is where she said to go, so...
Oh, listen, dude.
I'm a good listener. Oh my god, didn't lock.
If the red's flashing, is that locked?
I don't know how to lock this thing.
How do they expect us to turn it if we don't have small Italian hands? Dude, look at that.
So you're Irish fucking... Oh my god, I can't even turn it. Do you think we get kicked out of here?
I'm kind of scared, dude. The Target security is kind of crazy.
They just tackle your ass. Get down, he's ginger!
Drop the books!
Let's see what Megan wants.
Don't even tell me the title, bro. I'm scared.
She wants Light Lark, Fucking Around and Bride by Allie Hazelwood.
No scary dungeon.
Right? For real. That's probably next up on the list.
Scary.
Embarrassed for what?
Someone's gonna hit me on the head. Tackle me.
Why you reacted so scared to that, man? That was so funny. I don't know where the book section is, by the way. I'm just assuming.
Well, don't look at me, because I don't know where I'm going. I'm following you, basically.
Okay, well, I don't know where the fuck I'm going either.
Wait, by the video games.
That's a good place to look. While the girls are looking at the books there. The algorithm, yeah. So we both have girlfriends, so we're here strictly on business. We're not here to stand around and look cute.
Exactly.
Like, I don't know these books, and wait for like some girl to come up to us. That's not what we're doing.
We got a mission, dude.
We're in and out. We're not sticking around to fucking find out what happens.
Don't get in the way of our mission. We'll be a casualty real quick.
Jesus Christ, dude. Girls be fucking aggressive, bro. We gotta run in. Oh, it's so perfect. It's right here. They have a huge section. What the fuck? I've never been to the Target version of this. I didn't realize it was like this large. Here, book talk. I see it. This is how they hashtag their shit. Because they can't call it what it is. They have to use hashtag book talk. So the girls don't know to look here. So she wants one of these three. I don't know.
Ride.
A Million Kisses in Your Lifetime. Birthday Girl. These all sound...
I'm not gonna lie, this section is kind of thin.
I know. I'm a little worried we're not going to find what we're looking for.
Well, I feel like maybe she could accept this as a...
Freddy Fazbear? A Five Nights at Freddy's book? Dude, that's genius. Why didn't I think about that?
If she wants to get into some peak fiction, there you go.
I don't even recognize any of these. She's shown me a bunch of them, and I still don't, know any of these.
Looks like James Franco.
I know Simon's girlfriend reads these, but...
Oh. Pretty sure I just bought my girl a whole, edition of this.
Did you read it? Open it up. I recognize Wildfire. My girlfriend showed me that.
Alright, chapter 12. I couldn't entirely shake the horror, the gore of my dream as I walked down the halls of the manor.
Keep going.
I'm scared to get to the raunchy part.
Keep going.
Hold on. It's gotta be deeper in the chapters here.
That may not be one of the worst ones. I don't know. I wish they had, a spice scale.
Spice scale?
Yeah, for real.
Ones?
Yeah. Hooked. Dude, I don't... 50 Shades Freed? Oh my god.
I don't like that.
Holy shit.
What are is the main character a cop? Don't know.
Light Dark? Where the fuck? Well, if you see the one your girlfriend wants, feel free to pick it up. Am I, just stupid? Am I not seeing it? Or I don't see, any of the ones that we're looking for. One Dark? That one looks a little bit more familiar. I don't want to, walk out of here with nothing. So lame. I feel like the lamest fucking boyfriend ever, you know what I mean?
Oh no, we'd have to ride to another bookstore on cool bikes.
I guess that's true, but the problem is we're time limited, so I don't know.
If we kind of give up hope now, we can go somewhere we probably know we'll have it.
Books a Million or something.
Could try and just...
She said that... No, we're not going... We're gonna get arrested if we go to Crocker, bro, no.
Arrested? That's crazy.
Man, Twisted...
Wait. Pull up your list again. I think this one was it.
Light Arc. And then the other one's Bride. Bride. Man, I'm so depressed right now. Are you serious? She told me Target, bro. I can't believe I listened to her. Target. Oh, shit. I have fucking... Let's see if we have time for another bookstore.
Only 1:15.
Alright.
Gucci.
Damn, what a bust. I felt lied to.
They took the books out when they saw us come in with helmets.
No fucking books, bro. God damn it.
So epic.
Target's book selection fucking sucks.
They got everything else, but...
I can't believe these are fucking words coming out of my mouth right now. But... Come on, I wanted to get something for the girl, bro. I'm what the hell?
Local man is fed up with Target's book selection.
She was gonna buy them for herself, and I'm like, no, wait, I'll get them for you.
Mission failed.
It's not my fault, though. I'm out here putting in the effort. It's Target that's not returning the favor. Now we have to walk out of here without buying something, so we look sus as fuck.
You tried, though.
Yeah, wasn't good enough. It never is.
To make matters worse, my helmet is an extra large.
So?
Big head walking out.
It smells like popcorn. It smells good.
I like that.
How much you want to bet we get stopped on the way out of here?
I will throw down.
Let me check your bag. Just don't make eye contact with anybody.
That would be nice for a tinted visor.
I'm also covered in fucking cameras, recorded the entire thing in here.
I mean, I don't know what could be more self-incriminating if you were stealing.
Yep, we failed. Yeah, shit happens.
It's got to count for something.
Tell that to the judge. That is my girlfriend.
You're guilty, buddy.
Yep. Straight to jail.
Look at that guy over there.
What?
Gotta
Oh,
go
the
check
Harley?
what's up.
Yo, sir.
No one saw anything. Shady deal. Oh, your camera's on here, though.
I'm not really using that one today.
Okay.
That one's like a last resort if we get pulled over or something.
Well, if we do, how do I turn it on? Just
Top button on the top, yep.
Gotcha. How do I even, like, board this beast, bro?
You say, how do I board this beast?
Oh my gosh! This thing's fucking huge! Hold on. I missed the power. Does this have quick shifter?
Yes, it does.
Dude, oh my god, I feel like a father.
This thing sounds fantastic with that exhaust.
I don't know who would say that sounds bad. Be impossible. Oh my god, this thing's torquey. Oh my god. I'm scared to get it up like you were.
Dude, this thing's so much more sporty than the other. Holy shit.
Like Harley guy's like, brother,
Brother!
what are you doing? Oh my god!
You okay?
I'm airborne. Yeah, I'm airborne.
Okay.
Let me put my phone in my pocket real quick. If the light goes green, just stay here. Because it's literally just dangling in my coat pocket. I'm scared.
My hair would start going in my face.
Dude, that thing is crazy.
It's pretty fucking crazy, dude. I love it.
You're cool as hell, man. Coolest guy on the road, for sure. These heated grips are insane, bro.
Hey, you like them?
Yeah. It just got like 80 degrees outside for a second.
I know, they fucking heat the fuck up, bro. And you got the heat. It's a heated seat, too.
What?
Yeah, I know, for real. It's lit.
Oh, dude, this Harley guy wants it.
Where? Oh, is he back there?
He's behind us. Brother, don't get too far now.
Took a second for him to catch up, bro. For real.
Yeah, he was full tug.
This thing's so much more sporty than the Multi.
You say that as I'm cornering like a beast right now?
Shush. Maybe it's just because you're bigger, you can handle that thing. Whenever I ride this, it makes me want one, bro. They're so much fun.
That'd be like the perfect like not touring, but like, you know, cruiser bike.
I think in the summer this would be a great touring bike. Oh my god, I saw you in my mirror. I thought you were a cop, bro, like the motorcycle cop.
Please pull over, sir.
Leaker. You do look goofy as fuck in that thing because the tire looks so small.
Yeah, I know. Dude, when you wheelie, it like looks so dumb.
Corner.
Yeah. The unnecessary knee flick.
And the Diavel, like, it's just in a class of its own. It's so much fun. Diavel's so cool because it is like a cruiser slash like naked bike, but it can still do like 600 stuff. It's the only bike that's like that.
Yeah.
And it's like
pretty cool.
It's like comfortable. I would not buy this bike without the exhaust.
Oh, no way.
You're not gonna get in trouble on this bike unless it's with the cops. Then you absolutely will get in trouble. But